Hi, and welcome to this lesson on Horse with No Name by America. Now, if you have joined me from my 10 beginner songs to learn when you first start playing the guitar, hi, welcome. Thanks for checking in here. We've got 2 chords. If you've never played the guitar before, this is awesome, right? You're going to be able to play this song in about maybe 10-15 minutes flat. Big promise, I know. This first chord is an E minor. Now we can do E minor with our first 2 fingers like this, right? We can do the second and third fingers. Doesn't make any difference at all to the sound. It's completely what you want to do. You're going to have to do both of these in time, so it doesn't matter which one you choose now. Okay, that's the first chord. Now the next chord, what we're going to do is basically, this one goes up and that one goes down, right? So our first chord is this. All right, okay, makes sense? Now, that's the first thing to practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Now, you could actually, so now you can play the song. As long as you stay in time, right? That is the most important thing. What you hear beginner guitar players do all the time is that they, learn the chord, and then that. Right? Don't be one of those people, okay? Just get the change first. That would be terrific. All right, now strumming wise, this is, there's a lot of levels to this, right? But what we're gonna do is a pretty straightforward version, okay? And you'll still be able to hear the tune. It's fine, it's not exactly how it goes on the record, but it doesn't really matter, okay? So you're gonna play. Okay, so what we did, we went 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and. All right, so we're going down, down, up, down, down, up. Let's do that again, E minor. Down, down, up, down, down, up. All right, now this second chord is kind of an F sharp minor, all right? We're gonna go up, 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 4 ups. Right? So first things first, practice that first bar. Until you can do it. Practice that second bar. Until you can do it. Then put them together. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2 and 3, right? And then you've got the nuts and bolts of the song. Now, you can make this much more complicated, but this lesson is not for that, okay? It's really just to get you moving around the guitar, right? So, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1. And 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and just like that, all right? So that's the lesson for today. If you need the chart, you can grab it at Patreon, and if you want more on the strumming in this tune, just ask and we can do another lesson. See you there, bye for now.